In this video, I'll be showing you how to save audio on an Instagram story. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, let's say you have some saved music or any saved audio that you have and you want to use it on an Instagram story. All you want to do is firstly open up the Instagram application. Once you do, it's going to look something like this. And on the bottom right, you're going to see the Reels icon, the second to last option. So just go ahead and click on that. And let's say I want to save this music that's being played. I just click on the music under the profile name. Then I just click save on the little bookmark icon right there. Then we go away from the Reels button, and then all I want to do is when I want to go post something, so let's say I want to post a story right now, I go to the plus icon, which is right in the middle on the bottom, click on that. Then I just want to do story, so let me just take a picture of this mouse right now. Then all I want to do is at the very top I see that music icon, which is the third one. Click on that. You're going to see a lot of music for you. You're going to see trending, original audio, but the last option you're going to see is saved. So any music that you have saved is going to show up here. Then all you gotta do is click on that music, and then all you gotta do is press the arrow to confirm it. So we're gonna confirm it, and then from here I can select any part of the music that I want to be added to my story. And I can change the duration as well. Let's say I want to make it 5 seconds. It's gonna shorten the clip and everything, and then I can just change it however I want, add it to my story, and you'll